Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pens, a collection of high-functioning, utility-driven defensive writing tools. The SWAT pen, an anti-slip grip ballpoint that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. A tactical pen that gives your writing a smooth finish. The MTP6 pen, a high-utility concept with a dual-mode flashlight. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. The Rebel pen, a sleek tactical writing instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pen comes equipped with a defensive glass-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pens are machined for perfect weight and balance and textured to provide a perfect feel. Built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry.
This is the Schrade SC Pen 4.0 Tactical Survival Pen, one of several models in the Schrade Tactical Pen series. Designed to hold up under adverse conditions, the SC Pen 4.0, manufactured from CNC machine 6061 T6 aluminum, can be used to write, whistle for help, start a fire, and for self-defense in emergency situations. To write with the pen, unscrew the whistle cap. To prevent loss, screw the cap back on the opposite end of the pen to store the cap while the pen is in use. Blow through the cap to signal for help. The whistle works best when the cap is removed from the pen's body. To use the fire striker, simply unscrew the striker plate from the tip end of the pen shaft by turning clockwise. Rethread the striker plate back into the end of the pen shaft with the striker plate exposed. Once ready, unscrew the middle of the body of the pen to expose the ferro rod. To cast sparks, remove the black protective coating on the ferro rod, apply modest pressure, and quickly slide the striker plate down the ferro rod. In an emergency, the aircraft-quality aluminum shell's glass-breaking tip transforms the SC Pen 4.0 into an instrument of self-defense. A spring tension clip secures the pen to your pocket, or clip the SC Pen 4.0 to your pack or gear. Its bright orange color makes it easy to spot when you need it. At a length of 5.9 inches and weight of 1.7 ounces, the SC Pen 4.0 is a rugged, versatile pen you can depend on in tactical and survival situations. Well designed, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SC Pen 4.0 Tactical Survival Pen. Other available SC Pen 4 models are the SC Pen 4 BK, in black color, SC Pen 4 BR in brown color, or SC Pen 4G in gray color.
This is the Impromptu Tactical Pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and CRKT, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Write-in-the-Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the Impromptu Tactical Pen.
This is the Schrade SC Pen 9 BK Tactical Pen, one of 3 models in the SC Pen 9 series. Ruggedly handsome as well as practical, the SC Pen 9 BK is a writing instrument you can count on in the face of challenging conditions. Made from aircraft-quality CNC machine 6061 T6 aluminum, the pen offers the ease of a push-button rollerball ink pen with a nearly indestructible barrel. Click the push button to instantly deploy the smooth writing tip. The pen uses Schmidt Parker-style 9000M refills and comes with a black ink cartridge installed and ready to write. The grooved and ribbed black barrel of the SC Pen 9 BK offers a comfortable grip. To retract the tip, simply click the push button once again. Access and replace the ink cartridge by unscrewing the silver protective tip at the end of the barrel. Remove the tension spring and position it over the point of the replacement cartridge. Drop the cartridge into the barrel of the SC Pen 9BK color-coded plastic end first. Screw the silver protective tip back onto the barrel. A sturdy spring tension clip bearing the familiar Schrade trademark secures the pen to your pocket, or clip to pack or gear. At a length of just over 5 inches and weight of 1.6 ounces, the SC Pen 9BK is a tactical pen crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. Find the black SC Pen 9BK together with the blue SC Pen 9BL and gray SC Pen 9G.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Williams Tactical Pen. This is a James Williams design specifically to fly under the radar and be used as a self-defense tool. First and foremost, this is a pen, so you can see it does write very well. It's got a Fisher Space Pen insert. Basically, to use it, you just grip it in your hand and use it as a trauma instrument to get away. That's what it's designed to do. And it's designed specifically to be non-aggressive. It looks like a stellar executive pen. It writes well. It fits nice in the hand. You can see it right there. The cap doesn't have to be screwed on. It snaps right on with an O-ring. And it does have a pocket clip. You can see it in my shirt pocket here, as well as in my pants pocket, just to give you an idea of how it rides. It is 1.2 ounces and it's made from 6061 aluminum. That's aircraft grade aluminum, so it's going to be nice and strong. One last thing I wanted to mention about that pocket clip there is it is removable. If you don't want to roll with it, you can untwist that and remove that pocket clip. There you have it. Again, this is a James Williams designed tactical pen, and it is great for everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.